Goldstein, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram here in Latham, New York, and I just wanted to show you the new 2024 Dodge Hornet. Now it has some nice aggressive styling befitting of a Dodge, and it also has some nice functional hood scoops because, you know, Dodge, we're about that power. So this is the Hornet RT Plus Blacktop Edition. The Hornets do come in plenty of different flavors and trims. Now they come with all-wheel drive standard in every vehicle, and the GT has a 2-liter, 268 horsepower class-leading power plant under the hood, and this RT Plus right here has a hybrid gas engine and electric, which gives you another class-leading 288 horsepower as well as 383 pound-feet of torque. That's a lot of torque to move this little vehicle. And it also has another exclusive. It has the Powershot feature, which gives you 30 extra horsepower for a total of 15 seconds. And that is enough to shave your 0 to 60 time by a second and a half. So this Dodge Hornet gets 29 miles per gallon just on gasoline, and it also goes 30 miles just on pure electricity. So let's talk about charging it. Let's show you how that works. When it comes time to charge your Dodge Hornet, all you need is a supplied level 1 cord, which you can plug right into your outlet in your garage or outside, and this that plugs into the vehicle. So all we do is push right here, take the cap off, goes right in there. Now these indicator lights will show what the power level is as it charges. This one is not plugged into anything, so it turns red, but it will show 20, 40, 60, 80, all the way up to 100 when it charges. Now it will take 7.5 hours from this level 1 charger, or if you get the optional level 2 charger, the 240 outlet, it'll charge in about 2.5 hours. So the Dodge Hornet just doesn't have the nice Dodge logo in the front, also has, for the first time ever, the Dodge logo lit up on the back of the vehicle. And it also has a nice hands-free, so all you gotta do is a kicking motion. And look, Ma, no hands, there it goes, right up. That is standard on the Plus models and optional on the other models as well. Cloth seats standard for the GT and the RT, and this one, the RT Plus and the GT Plus, come standard with leather seats. As we step inside, the Dodge Hornet has a nice cockpit feel, nice steering wheel. It has the biggest screen in any compact SUV, 10.25 inches. It has wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Google Android Auto. Now this one also comes with built-in TomTom navigation. You also get Sirius satellite radio for a trial subscription. You have dual climate controls, and this one also has optional heated and ventilated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel. Every trim level of Dodge Hornet comes with a bunch of safety features that are standard. Those include the rear backup camera with rear parking sensors. It comes with forward collision warning with automatic braking and pedestrian detection. They also come with lane assist. They come with adaptive cruise control with stop and go, and they also come with blind spot monitoring with cross path detection. Every Dodge Hornet comes with 3 years and 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, 5 years, 60,000 mile on the powertrain, and since we're in New York, the hybrid system is warranted for 10 years and 150,000 miles. So we have the GT level starting at $32,995, GT Plus at $37,995. We have the RT starting at $42,995, and this right here, the RT Plus, starting at $47,995. It's Derek from Goldstein, Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, Ram. If you need to reach me, 518-785-4156. Thank you so much for coming to check out the 2024 Dodge Hornet with me.
When you buy from Goldstein Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, you get lifetime car washes on every vehicle we sell. Plus, you get the Goldstein Warranty Advantage, both at no extra charge. Goldstein CDJR. We make it easy to get a great deal.